Makeup babes, YouTube, what's good? It is your girl Lisa Rose representing TMB Makeup Artistry, and I am back with another video.
Let go.
And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Hey boo, hey, welcome girl. Come on and pull up a chair. Okay, go get you some coffee, get you some wine, get you some water. Okay, and just sit down and chill out with me for a little minute as I take you through this makeup look. Be sure to follow me on all my other social media outlets. That is your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, at TMB Makeup or at TMB Makeup 757. It'll be annotated below. Okay. I just appreciate y'all being here with me. And without further ado, let's jump into this look. Close. Okay, as you can see, right? This is one of those looks where you want to have nice color to your face. You want the tones of your face to be even, but this is not a heavy full coverage makeup look. This is something that is just very light, okay? And then we just kind of use concealer to go in to try to set the features off. Now, the products, I'm telling you, they're not really that overwhelming. If you are a makeup enthusiast, you probably have this and then some in your arsenal. If you are a beginner, I'm pretty sure you have something along these lines in your arsenal. The one thing that I would probably say that most makeup babes don't have, who are not like, who don't have a big arsenal of makeup, would probably be something in that loose powder situation for setting under the eye. You probably may not have that, but even still, you probably have some type of compact powder or something that you can use, a pressed powder that you can use. Everything else, you guys more than likely have. Even down to the brushes, I'm pretty sure you guys have these things. So go ahead and get your makeup bag. All right, let's get it going. I'm gonna show you really quick an overview of the products that I'm using. I do use quite a bit of Fenty, but it is a mixture of high. I don't know if you would consider Fenty Beauty a high-end. It's not drugstore. Well, let's say that, but it's not Chanel prices either. You understand what I'm saying? So mid-level range. Okay, so I'm using the Fenty. This is the Hydrating Longwear foundation, and this is in the shade 385. So this is the kind of thing, the thing for me about Fenty in this particular, just their color range altogether, this does run a little red in my opinion. I am a golden tone person. I'm very yellowy undertones. But even in the summertime, when I tan, you know, I still have a little bit of goldenness, even though I have that red because I'm tan. But this right here, I really love, as you can see, and you will see in the video, I love to use the Fenty, and I like to add moisturizers to it. I'll add my primer to it, my illuminating liquid products to it, and just kind of, you know, swoosh it all up together and apply it to my face with my fingertips. When it comes to this, I like how that combination of mixing it together and then rubbing it on the face all as one, I like how that works for my skin, but it shears it out very nicely, and I still get that nice tone though that I'm looking for. You know, I don't want an overly done made up face sometimes. I still want my blemishes to show through. But if you look at me right here in this camera right now, you know, like I look very even. I look very, you know, my makeup looks very well put together. You know what I'm saying? It really does.
OmniBeats.com.
OmniaBeats.com. 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 OmniaBeats.com.
Oh, this eye. Did I tell you about this eye? So another thing about summertime fresh makeup, right, is that like these liquid eyeshadows, like these liquid eyeshadows, they are not budging. Now, if you wanted to set it and put a powder on top of it, you very well can, you know. But these liquid eyeshadows, like this is just such a fresh, it's such a fresh look. Like it just has a nice glow to it. I just love that. Like when I look down. All right, let me get up off here so I can take these pictures. I don't have my glasses on. I'm gonna clean up. All right.
OmniaBeats.com. OmniaBeats.com.
Cause we done. We is out. This better be right. This better be right. This better be right. But look though, look at that. Look how that sit and how that hit. But look at that. Look how that sit. Look how that hit. Look at that. Look how that sit. Look how that hit. Look at that. Look at that.